Look, we have the system AX is equal to 0. 0, that's homogeneous system of linear equation. Obviously, dxi for each unknown, we have 3 by 3 matrix A, coefficient matrix. So we have 3 unknowns, x1, x2, x3. So dxi is equal to 0 for all I, 1, 2, 3. Obviously, because our constant is 0, we replace each column, first column, second column, third column, by 0, the 0, entirely 0 columns. So the determinant is obviously 0. So homogeneous by itself, defaults, the trivial solution is all are 0. x1, x2, x3 are 0. But here we assume that it has a non-trivial solution. So to get in the case of homogeneous system of linear equation, to get non-trivial solution, the value of D, which is the determinant of A, should be 0 to have infinitely many solutions. In the case of homogeneous system of linear equation, to have non-trivial solution, determinant of the coefficient matrix should be 0. So we have infinitely many solution means we have non-trivial solution. So here we got an equation. What's the determinant of matrix A? Let's expand along the first row. Determinant of matrix A is equal to -1 raised to, expand along the first row. So 1 plus 1, A11, determinant of a matrix obtained by omitting first row, first column, plus -1 raised to 1 plus 2, A12, determinant of A12, a matrix obtained by omitting first row and second column, plus -1 raised to 1 plus 3, A13 into A13, determinant of A13, omit first row and third column. This is equal to, we have here 0, 0. This implies -1 square, positive 1, A11, first row, first column of our matrix, that is 2, times A11, omit first row and first column, first row, first column, the remaining, the matrix minus t, minus 3, 0, minus t, plus -1 the power of 3, negative, A12, the entry A12, first row, second column, that is 2. Determinant of matrix A12, omit first row and second column from matrix A, first row, second column, we will have A12, 0, minus 3, t, minus 1, plus -1 the power of 4, positive 1, A13, t, positive t, determinant of omit first row and third column from matrix A. What remains? 0 minus t, t, 0 is equal to 0. Now, 2 times the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, minus t times minus 1, positive t, minus 0 times minus 3, 0, minus 2 times determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, 0, minus t times minus 3, plus 3t, plus t times determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, 0 times 0, 0, minus t times minus t square plus t square is equal to 0. Now 2 times t, 2t, minus 2 times 3t minus 6t plus t times t square, t cubed is equal to 0. Now we have polynomial equation with degree 3. Let's simplify. This implies t cubed 2t minus 6t minus 4t is equal to 0. This can be factorized. This implies take t as a common factor. T times t square minus 4 is equal to 0. So t square minus 4 means t minus 2, t plus 2. We have this equation that is t square minus 4, t minus 2, t plus 2 is equal to 0. The product of numbers to be 0, the product of expressions to be 0, at least one of the factors should be 0. So either t is equal to 0, or t minus 2 is equal to 0, or t plus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies t is equal to 0, t is equal to 2, and t is equal to minus 2. You are asked to find the set of the values of t, that's the set S, the value of t. It should be minus 2, 0, 2. This is our answer.